Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some curry chicken, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is some chicken parts that I have already cut up and cleaned and washed it with some vinegar and some lime. I'm going to be using some all-purpose seasoning, onion, curry powder of course, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, black pepper, and salt. Alright, so now I'm going to be seasoning up my chicken with some all-purpose seasoning. Then I'm going to be seasoning it up with a little bit of salt. Next, I'm going to be adding some black pepper. Then I'm going to be adding some curry powder. Now I'm adding my chopped up onions and garlic and scotch bonnet pepper. Then I'm just gonna combine everything together. Now I'm using a spoon to kind of rub in them together. I also use my cleaned hands to finish rubbing the meat and the seasoning together. So I'm just stirring around this chicken. Ensure that everything completely gets the cooking, you know what I mean. So then I'm just gonna cover that down and allow it to, cook down a little bit. I'll catch you back in a few. I'm just stirring this around. Then I'm gonna add some water to it and just let it simmer down. Alright, so now I'm adding a little water to this and then I'm just gonna allow it to simmer down. So my gravy has gotten thick. Alright, so I'll just allow this to reduce some more. Alright, so this is basically a cooking vlog. So I also have some potatoes and some eggs boiling for my potato salad, so stay tuned. Okay, so here are the ingredients that I'm gonna be using to make the potato salad. There is my chopped up boiled eggs alongside some onion, some mayonnaise, some black pepper, mixed vegetables, and the boiled potatoes. Alright, there you have it. Curry chicken with rice and potato salad. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.